So today we're conducting an experiment using a 6-ounce can, a 16-ounce can, and another 16-ounce can, rubber bands, paper clips, a plastic bag, and a coat hanger. So the first thing we were told to do is measure the unstretched rubber band, which comes out to be 7 centimeters long. So the next thing we're going to be doing with one rubber band is measuring this 6-ounce can. We're going to put it inside the bag and then measure how much it stretched. So 6-ounce can inside the bag, and it stretched 10 centimeters. So I'm going to go and record it. So then the next one, we're going to be putting a 16-ounce can inside the bag only. So I'm going to take out my 6-ounce can, and I'm going to put my 16-ounce can inside. And I'm going to take my ruler, and I'm going to measure my stretch band, which is 15 centimeters long. So my next one, I'm going to be putting in this with the 16-ounce. And I'm going to measure it with my ruler. And I got 20 centimeters long. And I'm going to go ahead and record it. So then my next step is to take the 16-ounce can and put it with only the 16-ounce can. So it's going to be two 16-ounce cans in it. So I'm going to take my 6-ounce can out and put those both in there. And I'm going to measure with my ruler how far that stretched. And I got 25 centimeters long. So I'm going to go ahead and record it. And so here is my recording. So my next step is to take 2 rubber bands, a plastic bag, and a paper clip. So 2 rubber bands, a plastic bag, and a paper clip. I'm going to take this one off. So I'm going to put my two rubber bands up. And I'm going to attach it to my paper clip. And I'm going to attach my paper clip to the 2 bags. To the 1 bag. I'm going to take my 1 can of 6 ounce with my ruler, and I'm going to measure how far that band stretched. First, I'm going to measure the unstretched band, which is 6 centimeters long. Then I'm going to take this and enter it into the bag. And it measures 8 centimeters. So I'm going to go ahead and record that. And my next one I'm just going to do 1 can of 16 ounces into the bag. So I'm going to take my 6 ounce out, and I'm going to grab my ruler. I'm going to put my 16 can in, and I'm going to measure how long it stretched. So I measured 13 centimeters that it stretched. So I'm going to go ahead and record that. So my next one, I'm going to put my 6 ounce can into the bag with the 16 ounce. I'm going to grab my ruler. I'm going to measure it. And it measures 16 centimeters. So I'm going to go ahead and record that. So then my next one, I'm going to take out my 6 ounce, and I'm going to add another 16 ounce can. And I'm going to enter it into the bag. And I'm going to measure that. And I got 21 centimeters. So lastly, I'm going to take my 3 rubber bands, my paper clip, and my bag. I'm going to attach it to the hanger. I'm going to measure the unstretched band, which is 7 inches. And I'm going to add my 6 ounce can into the bag with my 3 bands and 1 paper clip. And it stretches to about 8 centimeters. So I'm going to go ahead and record that. So my next step is to take out that 6 ounce and put 1 16 ounce can into the bag. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And I'm going to use my ruler to measure. And it stretches about 10 centimeters. So I'm going to go ahead and record that. So then my next step is to take the 16 ounce and add in my 6 ounce. And I'm going to measure how far that stretches down. And it measures 13 centimeters. And my last step is to take out the 6 ounce can and add 16 ounce cans, so you'll have 2 16 ounce cans inside the bag. So I'm going to take out my 6 ounce, I'm going to add my 16 ounce, and I'm going to measure it. And I got 16 centimeters that it stretched. So I'm going to go ahead and record that. Alright, and that's my experiment. Thank you so much for watching. I used a hanger, 1 to 3 rubber bands, 1 paper clip, and 3 bags, a ruler, and that's about it. Thank you.